Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your weekend love bite. Scorpio, this is for the weekend of the 30th of October. A mini read to check on your energies, see how you guys are doing. And yes, these are general collective readings. Scorpio will not resonate with each and every one of you, so take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin, Scorpio. Let's take a angel blessing card to top the reading first. See what blessings we have for the weekend, and then we'll start your reading. So my angels, what do we have for Scorpio for this weekend? Blessing or an advice card? Move. Okay. Some movement is required, or there is movement coming into your life, Scorpio, it seems, and it's going to give you a lot of peace. I have no clue why these cards are out. Let's see the rest of your reading and see what is this movement coming into your life and why the peaceful card is here. So welcome back, my subscribers, Scorpios. Thank you so much for being here, showing up. I'm blessed to have you, and I'm very grateful for all your support to the channel. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this reading, even though it's just a mini read to check your energy right now. Your longer reads will be posted, I think, second onwards. So, Scorpio. And in case you guys need a personal reading, my November schedule is now open. My email is in the description box below. You can email me there. Somebody is wanting to return here to something. Bottom of my deck, I had the Six of Swords. So the Eight of Pentacles, Chariot, and the Two of Swords. Hermit, Ten of Wands, and the Seven of Cups. It seems here, Scorpio, somebody did not put in any work into a relationship, right? And maybe this is the past energy where somebody just, is feeling that either somebody is not putting in the work, or maybe they're realizing that they did not put the work in, and that's the reason a chapter of their life kind of shut down. Because one partner was maybe putting in the work, the other was not investing as much. And I think here's the feminine energy who felt very ungrounded in this relationship, and maybe shut this chapter off on their partner here, because there was no work being put in into the relationship. Third time I've said that. And that's the reason, yeah, this feminine thought started to understand that, these are all false promises. Nothing really comes out of these promises. I'm not feeling grounded. I'm not feeling safe. I'm not feeling secure, and decided that yes, I don't want to kind of move on with this energy anymore, and I am going to drop it altogether. I think there is a feminine here who took a call here, and is dropping a situation here because not feeling that the other person is pulling their weight. Like, look at this. There's a Queen of Pentacles here who's a very strong, person with the Knight of. This is an imbalanced kind of relationship where one person is nurturing, caring, loving, giving, and the other person is just a knight with a cup, right? So now this queen has kind of pulled back her energy, no longer wanting to invest in it, because now realize that this was a person with empty promises. I think this person has put a big halt to the situation now. So Scorpio, this could be you doing this, holding back from your partner now, after realizing that this is not working altogether. I made that decision for myself now. I'm going to drop this burden, right? I don't want to now move forward in this relationship anymore. I'm dropping this burden. This is a decision that I'm making for myself. All this feminine wants is, I think, to be happy. But the Three of Cups sometimes also signifies a reunion. So let me check on this. Spirit, why is the Three of Cups here? Three of Cups here. Yep. This same knight, I think, is wanting now to charge back into this feminine's life. Earlier, they were coming across as the Knight of Cups, bringing in, empty promises. And here they arrive once again, wanting to start something new. with passion and excitement and saying, hey, listen, I've changed, I've made a decision, I have been in hermit mode for a very long time, and I have shed light to all my mistakes here. How about a reunion? Wow. One more card, Spirit. They find this feminine very loving, very intuitive, and they feel totally addicted to this person. They feel attracted. They have a lot of sexual attraction as well, I think. This feminine is beautiful. She's Queen of Cups, right? So she's intuitive, loving, caring, giving. But I have a feeling this Queen of Cups has kind of shut this, cup of love that was available to this knight earlier, and there is a lid on it, and this queen is now in self-love mode right now. This queen feels that this person is very toxic, and I have made a decision. I don't want this person, but this other person I think still has a lot of passion and is still very attracted to this Queen of Cups. Hermit spirit, Hermit. This night, I think since this Queen of Cups has pulled back her love, this knight has kind of been in hermit mode, and they are not happy with that. They want to come out of this stagnation. They want to come out of this hermit mode. They are feeling very burdened. They want to now have fertility and growth once again. I mean, look at this queen, this feminine star transition from the the Queen of Pentacles to the Queen of Cups, and now to the Empress. So this, I think, knight has been watching her. This person has been in solitude and has been watching carefully as to how this person is progressing day by day, month by month, year by year, who knows, and giving it a lot of thought, shedding light to what they have done maybe in the past, the way they've behaved. Now they feel that this Empress is worth something once again, and they want to come out of this hermit mode with this Empress and take a chance again. Maybe earlier there was a lot of conflict in this relationship. There was a lot of competition. Maybe there were third parties, fourth parties, whatever. A lot of people vying for this knight was going and vying for other people's attention, I feel. I don't see the Empress doing anything like that, but this Knight of Cups may have had many other people in the mix. So they're kind of taking stock of why all these fights happened, why, things didn't work out. But I think now this person wants to come back and uh, put up another proposal to this Empress. Now they're seeing that they lost something which was fabulous. They don't want to be burdened anymore. They want to drop this burden now because this feminine has pulled away her energy. I think this person has been very burdened since then because they have been watching the growth of this feminine. Yes, they are not confused anymore, and they want to make a choice, and they know that out of all these cups that they were probably entertaining in the past, and they know now which is the one that they want to invest in. They are no longer at crossroads. They have decided this is the one I want, and now kind of no longer confused anymore. So Seven of Cups spirit, they don't know what to say anymore. That's the problem. There is no clear communication between the two of you. They don't know how to word it. They don't know whether they will be given a chance again. They know they've kind of destroyed this very firm foundation which was between the two of you, and also know that this Empress is very upset with them. She's showing up as the Queen of Wands in reverse. Now, when the Queen of Wands is in reverse, yes, this Queen of Wands is attractive and, a go-getter. But when she's in reverse, this is also a very, very angry queen. So this person knows that this person is no longer interested and no longer confused either. They have made up their mind. They don't want to interact with me anymore. They no longer. But so there is a bit of confusion on this masculine's end as to what to say now to rectify the situation. Okay. So one more card, Spirit, for the Yeah, there very lot of restless energy here. This person has a lot of restless energy. They can't sleep at night. They are thinking of how can I return back to this Empress of mine. They are thinking and overthinking and being stressed out and in a self-imposed prison of their own because nothing is kind of working out in their mind as to how they can lure this feminine back. So let's see what's happening on the weekend. I think this feminine is still holding back, though even though somebody wants to come towards her with an apology here. Four of Cups, Four of Cups spirit. Yes, I think this feminine has already gone off for a fresh new beginning. She's not interested. She's not showing any kind of passion towards the masculine anymore. From her side, I mean, she's blocked. She's blocked movement towards this masculine, right? So the Three of Pentacles spirit, Three of Pentacles. There's the Three of Pentacles here in reverse. No longer interested in working with this person anymore. One more. Yeah, this I think feminine is realizing that that this is not a balanced kind of a relationship, and holding on to any part of this relationship is only going to lead them to stress and tension. So they don't want to be part of that. But I think I do see the masculine here still holding on tight. They have a fear of change, I think. They don't want this situation to end. They want to be over their stress and tension. Even though they know that things have not been balanced in the past, they I think want a return here, and they want to kind of offer some kind of peace offering to say, hey, listen, you are my love, you are my forever person. I mean, you're my wish fulfillment. So there is a polarity in both ends. One is wanting to work, one is not wanting to work. So Page of Cups spirit, Page of Cups, Page of Cups. Even though this person wants to apologize to the feminine here, I think they have a little bit of fear here. They think they may be turned down. Their apology may not be accepted. So they're having a little trouble communicating, I think, even though they are not happy. I think all they can do is right now wish and hope that somehow, someday, there could be a return. So I think it's time to find your peace, Scorpio. Oops, what happened here? Yes, somebody is trying to manifest a return. See, somebody is trying to manifest a return. Somebody is trying to have a rebirth of this connection. Somebody wants their happily ever after, even though knowing that this commitment may or may not come, or maybe is already ended, right? And there is no chance of a committed relationship here. It doesn't stop this person from still dreaming it up or wishing it. So anything else, Spirit, for this weekend? Any movement, as you've given the card of move? Any movement happening? I think somebody is still very much in love here, Scorpio. I suspect this is the masculine energy. So what about the feminine energy? Yeah, for the feminine energy is going to be a tower moment. If this masculine takes this love offer to the feminine, it may get rejected. I'll be honest here. This masculine may want to take this apology, sorry, of a love offer. This could turn out to be a tower moment because there is a full chance of it being rejected. Heads up, Scorpio, if you're the masculine watching this, it's not going to be easy. I think go slow and steady. Bring some peace into this relationship first before kind of shocking the feminine into a full-blown proposal, especially after what this feminine has gone through and picked herself up from, one stage to another, and now is showing up as the Empress, who really doesn't need anyone anymore, right? So you have to become the Emperor, not come as a knight or a page anymore. So that's all I have for you, Scorpio. I hope I wasn't too blunt. Forgive me, but that's what the card said. So love and light. Take care. Till next time. Namaste.